Hi everyone, it's Gail with Life Begins After 50, and where are my DIYers? Where are my do-it-yourselfers? I would love to consider myself a good do-it-yourselfer, but my skills definitely need to be brushed up upon. However, after putting together this set from Orange Casual, a beautiful 7-piece set of wicker furniture. It's beautiful rattan, comes in different colors as well as the pillows. With my girlfriend, we did this as a project together. I feel really accomplished and I so love my set. We moved into our home a year ago yesterday and did not have a dining set for our backyard, and Orange Casual graciously gifted me this gorgeous set. Comes with a sectional sofa that can be taken apart. It comes in 3 pieces, as you can see here. The really pretty dining set, which I have already graciously put together for Easter, and these 3 adorable cubes that are storage cubes. I'm gonna pick this up. They also double as seats, and I love that. You can sit down and use them as an extra seat. And the pillows are awesome. They zip off so they can be washed, which I love. So it's easy care on the table and easily wiped off. It's windy where we live, so I remove them when it's windy and I can wash them, and I love that. I recommend washing on delicate and hanging to dry, but I would read the label before you decide how you're gonna wash them. I'm just gonna show you how comfy this is. Totally comfy. It seats several people. And as you can see, I have it set with placemats and mugs, all for Easter. And you can seat several people here and also eat, and I love that. So hop on. They're having an Easter campaign to Orange Casual. I'm going to post the links in my post, and guess what? You can be a DIYer. If I can do it, you can do it. And remember that life begins after 50. You can try anything.